Scripting elements. This video describes scripting elements, why we need scripting elements. Scripting elements are used to insert Java code in our JSP pages. Three types of scripting elements: expressions, scriptlets and declarations. Expressions used to insert values directly into the output. General form look like this. Evaluating the expressions, converting string and implementing the JSP page. The evaluation is performed at the runtime. It can also access the information about the request. Expressions to display the current system time by using look like this: new java.util.date. If the result cannot be converted into a string, an error occurs during the translation time. Class cast exception will be raised during the request processing time. Use various predefined variables or implicit objects. Request, the HTTP servlet request. Response, the HTTP servlet response. Session, the HTTP session associated with the request. Out, the writer used to send output to the client. Example, using the implicit object to retrieve the username. Username request.getParameter of name. In XML notation, syntax for JSP expressions. JSP expressions you can mention here Java expressions code. Scriptlets. Next one. Scriptlets are the code blocks of a JSP page. General form less than, experimental symbol, percentage Java code like this. Also have access to the predefined variable like request, response, session, out, etc. Example, to display the output conditionally if for any conditional statement. Request.get attribute of name. If name is not equal to null, it will give the output. Username is so and so name. Otherwise, it will throw error occurred. XML equivalent of scriptlets code. You can use the stacks. Next one, declarations. You cannot declare a method within a scriptlets. JDBC in JSP. We have written the code to load the driver to get a connection etc. using the scriptlets. It will try to load the JDBC driver every time the page is requested. How do we run an initialization code as we do in servlets? Declarations allow us to declare method and variables that can be used anywhere in the JSP page. Provides a way to create initialization and cleanup code by utilizing the JSP init and JSP destroy methods. General form, experiment symbol, you can add the experiment symbol here. Example, a method declaration using the declaration like this. You can use the get system time and return the calendar.get instance and get time and convert it into string. You can give the current time output. Next one is comments.